Let's get started. First, fold it into half, just like this, and then again into half. In origami, it is important that you match the creases well and fold it right. Now we are going to open this flap and squash it inside. Now we flip it over and do the same with the second flap. Take it and squash it in. Now we fold the edges inside. Now this fold is just to make the creases, so we will also unfold them. We do the same on the back side. And unfold it. Now we also bring the top down to make another crease. Now we are going to make a petal fold. For this, you put the thumb on the crease and pull this up and bring the edges inside. At times, this fold can be a bit tricky, so go easy with this one at first. And make sure that all the creases fit in. There, it's the finished petal fold. Now we are going to do the same with this side also. Now this is the base of our dragon. Now one side is the tail and other will be our head. So on the side of our head, we will make just another fold. On the other side also. Yes. Now we'll pull this up for the tail. For the tail, we'll make a very small angle, almost vertical. While for the head, we are going to make a larger angle. Now for the head, fold it inside. For a belly fold, then we make another fold on the side, which is going to give it a more dragon-like look. There, make sure it exceeds it a bit, like there. Now for the tail, you are going to make this fold in which you first bring it down, then inside up. This is the finished fold. Now we are going to make another one of the same fold. Now for the wings, fold it inside. Now for the frills which we have to make in the wing, we make that on both the sides. There. Now on the top, just where the wing starts, you're going to flatten the creases which we just made. This adds a finishing touch to our dragon. There. Now fold the wings a bit inwards. There you have complete dragon. You can also get creative with this way dragon design. To see the different ways which you can make this dragon, see my other video whose link is given in the description box.